Hi, this is a direct selling business opportunity. If you see who can do this business, anyone who want to earn money, anyone who are above 18 years, anyone who are not satisfied with their present income, anyone who want to work part-time or full-time, anyone who want to work from home. So, to make it simple, anyone who want to earn money can do this. You don't need any education, any investment or experience. Only thing needed is a strong desire to earn money. If you see this kind of direct selling business, you will come across many people who are already successful in their careers and earning lakhs of income per month. The main reasons for those kind of people to choose this business as an alternative source of income is: first thing is financial freedom, and second thing is unlimited income. If we see what is financial freedom, suppose if you are doing any job and earning 1 lakh per month, you may be working in the same company for more than 10 years. Do you think you will get your same salary if you don't go to office for 2 months? Let us think you are having a own business and running successfully. If you close the business for few months, will you get any income from that? The answer for these questions is obviously no, but that is not the case with direct selling business. Once you work and make your own customers, you will be getting your income every month without doing any work. Second reason is you will have some limit of your earning in your job and business. Only very few people can reach 5 lakhs per month income in their jobs, but in direct selling business you have unlimited potential. The more you work, the more you earn. You can easily reach a level of earning 5 or 10 lakhs per month. And these are the main reasons why many people choose this business for earning. If we see what is direct marketing, you take any product in the market. For example, take a toothpaste. If you take some Colgate toothpaste, manufacturer will be making this toothpaste and you as a customer uses the toothpaste. How do you think the toothpaste made by the manufacturer reaches you? For this, the manufacturer need to do two things. First one is advertising. Second is to maintain a supply chain. Through advertising, they will make you know that their product is available in the market, and through supply chain like super stockist, state level distributors, district level distributors, etc., they will make sure their product is finally available to you in your nearby retail stores. This is what we call traditional marketing. What happens in this traditional marketing is, if the product price is 50 rupees, its manufacturing cost will be some 10 or 20 rupees, and the remaining money will be spent for advertising and supply. Like different level of distributors will have different level of commission, and finally retailers will have their own commission in the final MRP of 50 rupees. If we see direct selling business, the product will be directly delivered to the customers from the manufacturer through us who wants to do the business. This creates a business opportunity for us. We need to promote the products in our friends and family circle and make them use these products, and based on our turnover every month, we will get our income. There are many people who are earning lakhs per month without any education. You can see all these peoples. If you see what all the products are available, you can see all the daily using products like toothpaste, shampoo, soaps, etc. For these kinds of products, we will be spending 3 to 4,000 every month. What we are doing now is we need to change our brand and use these products and make our friends and relatives also to use the same products. If we see the products range, we have oral care like toothpaste, toothbrush, etc. We have a health food like cooking oil, tea powder, coffee powder, etc. We have personal care like shampoos, hair oil, moisturizers. This is high waste range, which includes home care products like dishwashing liquid detergents, toilet cleaners, etc. This is true man range, especially for men. These are cosmetics like lipsticks, and these are skin formula 9 products which are premium cosmetics. Then we have nutritional supplements like these are all nutritional supplements like immunity and for cardio care and for detoxification for bones and joints for glycemic health, etc., etc. And we have a air purifier, we have a water purifier, and we have an exclusive range of agricultural products. If you see who all needs these products, everyone who brush their teeth, everyone who bath daily with soap, who want a healthy life by increasing immunity, and finally who want cheap and best products. So this is the business, and if you are interested, you can contact so that we can